do. Now, ooh, we get to go down the slide. You have to wait. I want to practice our bisyllabics for just 1 quick minute. Are you ready? Okay. And that face is very B. Okay, let's make our B. Say happy. Do it again. Do it again. B. Happy. All right, and remember die. No. Good. Can you do it again? Die.
No.
Now you say it.
No.
Nice job. Uh-oh, we have to go potty. What do we have to do? Good. Say it again. Do it again. Oh, you're doing so great. Okay. Uh-oh, the pig got all muddy. Good. Do it again. Muddy. And this is easy. It's a D. Teddy. Good. Do it again. Teddy. And tuba. What is it? Do it again. All right. Let's see. One. Oh, let's do our knee work. You ready? Ha. Knee. Honey. And this one is a knee. Do it again. Bunny. And that's some say knee. Good. Do it again. Knee. Good. And that one is a knee. One more. This is a pony. All right. So we just wanted to warm up on our bisyllabics, do some pivot syllable knee, and then you get to pick. All right? Let's see what you're going to pick out of here. That is a handle. You say it again. Say handle. Can you say open? Bin. You gotta put your lips together. Bin. O. Bit. Handle. Do. Handle. Yeah, do we have to open up the open the door. All right, we're going to put this down, okay? Tell me that you want to pick. I want to pick. Okay. Oh, no. A ball, but that's very, like the happy face, it's very happy. Good. We're going to say that this ball's name is Happy, okay? No, sit down. Now, Happy wants to go down the slide, okay? So you tell me, Happy, go down. All right. Uh-oh. We're going to put Happy down the slide. I got to catch him. Woo! Okay, pick again. Now what? Uh-oh. You know what? That's a ladybug. Tell me, wait, say lay. Say A-D bug. Say D. Lay D. Lay. Way. D. Do it again. Way D. Bug. I can't hear you. Bug. You know what else? You know what we're going to call this? Because it looks like a ladybug, but we're going to say beetle. Go down. All right, now beetle go down. Goodbye. Woo! All right, wait. Here comes Pan. Da. Good. Who is it? Go down. Woo! Here comes the poodle. What is it? Go down. Have poodle go down. Ah! He's furry. This one is the
Daddy.
D. Teddy.
Daddy.
Go.
Daddy.
Go.
Go
Down. Okay, put Teddy down the slide. Whoa! Whoa! Uh-oh, what should I do? Should I pick it up? Tell me, pick up that. 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 All right, let's see. One more. Let's see what I can get. This one is the die. Where's the no? Do it again. Die. No. Say no. No. Say no.
No.
Say die. No. Oh, where's the no? One more time. Die.
No.
Right. Go. Say go.
Go down.
All right. Have Dino go down. Whee! Oh no! So we can also add another word for a phrase. So panda bear, pony ride, tabletop, bottle top, and that's also in Kit 1. Goodbye, Dino. No! What's he gonna do? Oh no! You know what? This pig is all one more. Ma, D. Good. He's all. Good job. Oh, I got you in the head. Is she gonna go down too? They are going to eat an apple. And let me hear you say apple. Say apple. Okay. Pick one from the table. Get the teddy. Get the teddy. Get it. Let me hear you say teddy. 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 You can do that next. Tell me teddy. Your turn. Teddy. Teddy. Eat. Bow. No, just say apple. You did it. Yum, 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 yum. Have him eat the apple. Dino's coming and he's hungry. Ooh, Dino's making a squeaky noise. Listen. Squeak, 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 squeak. Okay, let's see. Tell me Dino eat apple. Die. No. How do you say die? No. Die. Good. Eat. Apple. Apple. I want to hear apple. Good. And who is this? This is the poodle. And he's a puppy. Say puppy. Looks like a sheep. Puppy. Say puppy. Good. Say panda. And tell me teddy. And tell me beetle. Okay. And they have to go. You have to put them away. So you show me what we're going to put away. You tell me put away. Oh, you want to say in? Say apple. Apple. Bow. Okay, what are you going to put in? Dino, tell me put in. No. Where's the no? No. No, you can say it again. Dino. Yeah, put him in. Okay, there's another one. Tell me put in. It's not teddy. 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 Woo! And tell me put. Panda. Ooh, panda. And poodle. Put in. Poodle. Poodle. Puppy. One more. Put. Beetle. Do. And you were right. It's a ladybug. Say way D. D. Try it again. Way D. Way. Listen. Way. D. Buck. Bye-bye, everybody.